In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Salesforce to set up public groups and permission sets. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage through your web browser. Once you're on the main landing page, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. This icon is key because it opens up the settings menu from which we can access more advanced features. After opening the settings, you'll need to select the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This is where you can dive into more detailed configurations that Salesforce offers. Once you're in the Advanced Setup section, use the search bar to look for public groups. The search functionality here is designed to make navigating Salesforce's extensive menus quicker. Once your search results appear, find and click on Public Groups. This will take you to a page where you can view existing groups and create new ones. Go ahead and click on the New button to initiate the process of creating a new public group. You'll be presented with a form where you'll need to input essential details for the new group. Start by entering a label for your group. This will be the name that is displayed for users to see. Next, fill in the group name field, which should reflect the purpose or the function of the group. Now it's time to specify who will be in this group. In the Available Members section, choose which users or roles you want to add to the group. Highlight your selections and then click Add to include them in your group. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save to create the new public group. Your public group is now set up, but we're not done yet. The next step is to create a corresponding permission set group. In the upper search bar again, this time type in Permission Set Groups. Click on New Permission Set Group to start the creation of a group specifically for permissions. Similarly to creating a public group, input a label for the permission set group. Be sure to choose a meaningful API name as well, as this will help with integrations and automations later on. You can also add a brief description to provide context to other users who may work with this permission set group in the future. Remember to click Save once you've filled in the necessary information. Moving forward, click on Permission Sets and Group, which shows all the permissions associated with your set group. Click Add Permission Set to include specific permission sets into your group. From the options that appear, select the action that you want and then choose the corresponding permission set name. Complete the process by clicking Add. To finalize everything, click Done, and your setup is complete. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you navigate Salesforce more efficiently.